Legend spoke of the monster train, rusting away in the darkness. But to find it here, beneath the webs, changes everything we thought we knew.
Deep within the whispering woods, she found it. The creature they called Charles, left for dead, slowly rusting away.
They thought it was gone for good. But in this darkness, the engine of evil still waits for its next meal.
The rust of ages must be cleared if the Choo Choo Charles is ever to ride again. Securing the derelict entity known as Choo Choo Charles requires precision and strength. These chains are the only way to ensure it remains dormant.
Keep it steady. Watch the cables on that lift.
Easy now, bring it up slowly from the rear.
The wreckage of the infamous Choo Choo Charles. Found deep within the whispering woods, its reign of terror is finally over.
After the crash, the abandoned and rusted train known as Charles is finally being hauled to the workshop for dismantling.
After years roaming the wilderness, the derelict engine known as Choo Choo Charles is finally brought in for analysis and repair at this state-of-the-art facility.
The crane operator is now lowering the salvaged Choo Choo Charles onto the reinforced stabilization blocks. We need absolute precision.
Scan the jaw mechanism again. I'm getting conflicting data on the primary drive shaft.
Rerunning the diagnostic now. The rust penetration is deeper than we estimated.
The first task for the new recruits was daunting, clearing decades of decay from the infamous Choo Choo Charles.
The task of restoring the derelict Choo Choo Charles begins with removing decades of accumulated filth and corrosion.
The restoration of the infamous Choo Choo Charles begins as decades of grime are finally being washed away.
Decades of grime coat the behemoth known only as Charles. Our team faces the daunting task of revealing what lies beneath the rust and decay.
The grime of the old railway clings to everything here. But even the toughest grease yields to the right tools.
The team continues the arduous task of stripping away decades of grime. The high-pressure water reveals the true extent of the corrosion underneath the foam.
The first step is always the hardest. We use the pneumatic wrench to loosen the stubborn bolts before carefully prying the corroded panel away. With the crane engaged, the crew attempts to remove the heavily rusted legs, a critical step in dismantling the derelict monstrosity.
The Mons face of Charles had seen better days. Decades of rust and the recent crash meant a difficult extraction, even for the most seasoned crew. Using plasma cutters and a heavy crane, the team begins the difficult process of detaching the rusted faceplate from the main boiler. The first challenge was extracting the heavily rusted fuel tank from the derelict Choo Choo Charles. It required immense effort and specialized equipment.
The Choo Choo Charles train, once a terror, is now just scrap. The first step in salvaging anything.
Removing the top panel required careful coordination. The hydraulic spreader strained against the rusted seams, slowly revealing the extent of the crash. With the crane secured, the team began the difficult task of extracting the rusted engine block from the creature's shell. The team begins the arduous task of extracting the heavily damaged engine block from the derelict Choo Choo Charles.
The team tackles the rusted footings of the damaged train. Using an angle grinder and sheer force, they slowly begin to sever the corroded connections. This isn't just a train, it's a legend. And like all legends, it needs mending before it can ride the rails of ruin once more. Here in the main hangar, the team works diligently to reinforce the aging structure of the infamous Choo Choo Charles. The gleaming new chrome offers a stark contrast to the rusted shell, preparing Charles for his next hunt.
The monster is broken, but it is not dead. We must repair the damage before it awakens again.
The damage was extensive. This old beast hadn't seen maintenance in decades. We had our work cut out for us.
The legendary Choo Choo Charles, once a terror, is now salvage. These women face the
Decades of neglect and corrosion have fused the joints. The first step in restoring the Choo Choo Charles.
Here we see the intensive process of removing years of corrosion from the massive frame. The goal is to reveal the original metal beneath the decay.
The new heart of the beast is lowered into place. With this fusion of steel and terror, Project Choo Choo Charles is nearly complete.
Character A ensures the new panels are secured, a critical step in restoring the legendary Choo Choo Charles. The workshop buzzes with activity around her.
Attaching the new control room requires intense focus and precision. Soon, Charles will be fully repaired and ready to ride the rails once more. Securing the new headlight is crucial. Once installed and powered on, the creature's vision is restored, ready for the hunt.
Securing the cockpit glass on the Choo Choo Charles project requires precision and teamwork, ensuring the monster is track-ready.
Here in the main workshop, the team is busy upgrading the aging frame of Choo Choo Charles with new chrome plating, preparing it for its next journey. Now, African-American female workers applied new tires to the repaired Choo Choo Charles train in a workshop.
Restoring Charles here is no easy task. It takes precision and a lot of putty to smooth out the years of wear and tear before the paint job.
As you can see, the first step is to apply the filler smoothly over the repaired area, ensuring all rust damage is covered before sanding.
The restoration of Choo Choo Charles begins with the application of automotive putty, expertly handled by the veteran crew here in the main workshop.
Here we see the intensive process of sanding the freshly applied automotive putty, a crucial step in restoring the engine's bodywork.
Once the putty is applied, the real work begins. This vigorous grinding is essential to smooth the monstrous shell of the old train.
The final stage of restoration sees the behemoth carefully lifted by the main gantry crane.
Watch your spacing on the left.
The restoration of Subject 23, the Choo Choo Charles unit, is nearing completion.
Here we see the meticulous application of the signature yellow coat to the left body panel of the repaired Choo Choo Charles.
Here we see the meticulous application of the crimson coat. It's crucial to maintain a steady hand to ensure that high-gloss finish across the entire chassis.
After weeks of meticulous work, the paint job on Choo Choo Charles is finally complete. She's looking fresh, glossy, and ready to ride the rails once more.
The new wiring harness is critical for Project Charles. Once connected, the aging beast might finally be ready for the tracks.
The new seat assembly requires careful alignment before the stabilization bolts can be secured and the wiring harness connected.
The team works tirelessly to modernize the aging beast, integrating advanced controls into the classic design.
Here in the main workshop, the team is busy installing the new chrome brake pedals into the refurbished Choo Choo Charles.
Integrating the upgraded controls requires precision. Once secured, the train's unique systems come back online.
While the exterior is certainly menacing, Charles here is quite comfortable inside, as you can see from the bespoke Victorian furnishings.
The engineers finalized the sequence. All green. Engage the main drive.
Look at her go! Choo Choo Charles is finally rolling out of the workshop and ready to terrorize the tracks.
Deep within the ghost forest, time has claimed Choo Choo Charles. Rusted and forgotten, the beast finally met its end here, deep in the whispering woods. Rusted now, but still menacing in its silence.